Hey guys, and welcome back to Design with It on YouTube channel. Now in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can edit PSD documents on your smartphone. Now PSD documents are means Photoshop documents, right? It means that you can edit any PSD document only on Photoshop, and Photoshop is mainly on systems. You can't see Photoshop on a smartphone, right? But there is a site I'm going to be showing you where you can easily edit these Photoshop documents on your smartphone with ease. Though there are some conditions, there's some conditions that terms and conditions that apply, but I'm going to tell you all those stuff while we are going through the process. So I'm going to be showing you from scratch. I'll download the PSD document and I'll show you how to edit it on this site. So without further ado, let's dive into it. But wait, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, do so to subscribe. Click on the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell, so when I drop new videos, because I drop new videos every weekend, if I drop new videos, you'll be one of the first person to get notified. Thank you for doing that. So without further ado, let's go into it. So I'll go to freepik.com. So Freepik is this popular website that most designers get their design resources from. The reason why I'm going to Freepik is because I want to show you how I will do it from scratch to finish. So now I'm going to choose. Sorry about that. I'm going to download the test effects. I'm going to download the test effects. Yeah. Okay, so here is it. So yeah, I'm going to choose this one, art. So I'll download it. This free version, right? That's why I can download it. It's free. So I'll wait for a pop-up. So download. So it's downloading already. So now so I'll wait for it to finish downloading. So by the way, in Photoshop, in Freepik, most of their best design resources, their best resources here are in premium version. Now see something like this. Now I saw one now. I see something like this now is in premium version. Anyone that is in premium version, they have this crown image at the side. So I think there's one. See this one also now. It has this crown image by the side, and many other nice ones. See this one also too. So and many other nice ones that you would love to get. Now this resources, right? I have an arc of how you can download these resources even without subscribing to the premium, right? Even without subscribing to the premium, can you see? If you want to download it, you say you should go premium, and this premium is for you to pay a certain amount for you to download it. So if you want me to create a video on how you can download these premium files on Photoshop, comment below. I'm going to be judging based on the amount of comments I see there. If your comments are not much, it means you guys are probably not interested in it. So comment below and I would create, my next video after this one would be a video on how to get these resources. So yeah, let's check our downloads. Okay, it's almost done. Well, we can wait for it to, let me just skip it. Alright, so it has finished downloading. So this is it here. So I'll just go to the site now. The site is called Photopea.com. Yeah. So this Photopea is like a mini Photoshop, right? It's a mini Photoshop for mobile devices, for smartphones. Now you will see these three options. That's the new project, the open from computer, and the templates. Now templates is like, let's say you don't have a downloaded PSD file and you want to edit, or you want to probably choose a done for you template. You can just click on the template and you will see different kind of templates. Then also we are going to, this first one here is for new project. That's if you want to create a new project from scratch, and this other one is to open from computer. That's if you want to open or upload a downloaded PSD into the site. So you just click on computer. We are going to bring in the downloaded the downloaded test effect that we downloaded. So this is it here. So I'm going to click on it. So yeah, it's going to load for some time. Like, let's say for roughly 10 minutes, this is the result. Can you see that it works? So now I want to work on this area far. Oh, sorry, a minute. I want to work on this area. So I said you should leave this place before, but I want to just do something minute here. That means I'm just going to remove the background, which is I'll just click on this background eye tool. I will disable the eye tool. I don't know if it clicked up. So I guess it worked. So I clicked on this background eye tool. I disabled the eye tool, so this thing has removed, the background has moved. So the reason why I did that is so that you'll be able to add it to any design you want to add it easily, so it's not give you issue. Now the next thing you do is that you go to file and you export as PNG. It's very, very important. So exporting as PNG, it means that probably you download it. So all right, so this is it. The name, all this one doesn't even concern you. So the next thing you do now is not this. Let me go back. Export as PNG. Then you click on save. Click on save. So when you click on save, it's going to pop up ahead. So you just finish downloading. Can you see? Your test effect is ready. See it here. So you can just go on Pixel Lab, decide to add it on a design, blah blah blah, and enjoy your design. Now I want to check it because I saw something on it that's supposed to not be there. Okay, let's see. I had it here. Oh, exactly. I forgot to remove this stuff. See this stuff that are here. I forgot to remove it. Well, it's easy to remove on Pixel Lab. Just go to go to eraser tool, and just zoom closer. You will see the effect. Just clean it. You could use the brush, clean this place. Then go down again, clean out this place. If you are very, very if your eyes is very, very sharp, you will see it already. So that's it. Can you see? Your text effect is good to go. Can you see this? So thank you guys for following through thank you guys for following through the whole video, and I appreciate you. So if you haven't subscribed yet, please don't take this for granted. So click on the subscribe button, and you would actually miss from any of my video. Thank you guys for following through. Do share this video if it looks if it's impactful, and it's valuable. So share it so more people would gain access to it. Thank you for following me through. I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.